Stop wasting time making Excel formulas. Use Chat GPT instead. You can use Chat GPT to create Excel formulas even without prior knowledge of the tool. Chat GPT can help you fix errors and incrementally uh, configures formulas. Chat GPT can make mistakes, so verify formula result manually for accessories. In a fast paced uh, work, you need to maximize efficiency and AI tools like ChatGPT can make short work of tedious tasks such as creating Excel formulas. If you have not yet tried ChatGPT for custom Excel formulas, you are missing out on a serious game charges tip. The tips provided in this article are not limited to Excel. They are also applicable to other spreadsheet tools such as Google Sheet and Apple Number. This guide focuses on the free version of Chat GPT based on the Chat GPT 3.5 model. If you have access to GPT 4 for you can use the advanced data analysis tool to take screen shot and upload Excel file directly to GPT-4 for a more meaningless seamless experience. How to get a quick Excel formula from ChatGPT. If you dread the mere through of opening Excel, let alone creating formulas, you have come to the right place. Chat GPT offer you can easy way to create Excel formulas with zero particle experience required. Uh, all you have to do is give Chat GPT an explanation of what you want to do, and it will give you a formula along with detailed instructions on how to implement it. Just make sure to maintain uh, the range column and row that you want to apply the formula to, and it will do the rest for you. In this example, I have an